get up in there, dudes. I'm over here in Louisville. About to pick me up a Yamaha Banshee. We'll see what we get, dudes. Here's the Banshee. Shoot, let's get her cleaned up. Look at that seat, hood seat, boy. Yamaha Banshee, dudes. Sounds pretty decent. Let's take a look at this Banshee we just got. I'm going to tell you something I do like about it and then something I don't like about it, and we'll go from there. I do like the fact it's a Banshee. I don't like the fact they powder coated the frame yellow, but it is powder coated. I do like the fact it's powder coated, but they painted the plastics. They did a good job of painting the plastics, but they painted the plastics. It's like automotive paint or something. Some sweet little flames. I do like the shocks on the front of it. It's got a lot of bling on it. Runs really good, rips ass for sure. Hate the Sun F tires. I'm out of stuff I like about it, guys. I got some more bling on it. But, you know, yeah. What are you gonna do? Then you got to figure, you know, some player ass pimp used to own it because they got that straight up pimping seat cover. This is a sponge. All y'all junk gonna be wet. It rips good though, dude. So that is one good thing. They got rid of the boost bottle. That's kind of always a plus. What do you guys think? I've never asked you guys this on the channel. What's this one worth? Did you guys comment what the going rate on this thing is? And you've seen it inside and out. Like, I've showed you how displeased I am with it. No brakes. No brakes. What happened? Hey, look at Buzz. We'll just ride this one. Got some really good back tires on it. Hell yeah. It gets really good traction. Dudes, this Banshee rips. Dang it, run out of gas. We got a little bit left. Hell yeah. Dude, that thing rips. It's been a while since I had one like that.
Dude, I'm surprised no one scooped it up.
Yeah. It doesn't look like it would run like that.
Yeah.
Like, it looks cheesy as hell, but.
Dude, it's awesome.
Damn it, this thing. Well, here, I won't use the back brake. The white one, yeah. Dang, dude, that thing rips.
Yeah, dude.
I wish it was so fucking lame looking. The old trailer load full of tires back here and wheels. I should have known they ain't got no gas in it. Like, we spent all this on bling, we're not gonna put more than a quarter gallon in at a time. Man. Dang, dudes. Got the blue stuff in her now.
Had it. Yeah.
And so we ripped that a little bit. Other than the frame color and the seat and the painted plastics.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it had normal plastic, so it wouldn't be too bad.
Right. Dude, that thing rips so.
Yeah, yeah.
Got a couple 250R videos coming up. This one and that one. Lots more. Get up in there, guys. Somebody come buy that Banshee, $4,500 or something like that. Give me 45 for it. Come on, 45. Unless you count the 30,000 Corey and Trevor bid, or Corey bid, which I don't. Well, that Banshee's gone. We got another one coming up here. 2006. Did a top end rebuild on it, some carb tuning and stuff like that. So that'll be in the next video. Got a blaster video. Couple 250R videos coming up. This Tri-Z rebuild. Lots more, guys. As soon as I am done with this quad and tearing this down to go to powder coat, I'm getting back on that Tri-Z Raptor, dudes. There's my 700 EFI motor. Pulled it out of a running quad. Oh,